Hello everybody, welcome back. Another Willys tip of the day for you. That front timing cover doesn't look like much, doesn't look like there's any special way to put that on or not. But what you got to watch out for is there's a lot of play in these. There's no bolt or pin or anything that fixes that perfectly. So to ensure a leak-free setup, leave your bolts loose, take your pulley, get your pulley on there, line up your keyway, get that in there enough so that your timing cover seal is on the hub of your pulley, and then tighten your bolts down only after you put your pulley on there, and that will keep your seal and everything perfect on the hub snout, and you'll be leak free. So these little quick videos have been getting good reviews. Thanks guys for watching them and telling me you like them. So to ensure leak-free cover, put your pulley on first before you tighten the bolts. Obviously a new seal in there, make sure your hub snout is real clean, and go for it and you'll be leak-free. So just another Willys tip for you. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.